Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Kia Optima Hybrid. First, ensure both vehicles are completely off and in park, with parking brakes engaged. For your safety, always wear protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Next, locate the 12-volt battery in your Kia Optima, which is typically under the hood or in the trunk, often covered by a plastic panel. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take the red positive cable and attach one end to the positive terminal of your Kia's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Finally, connect one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. To complete the connection, attach the remaining end of the black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Kia Optima, away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Once all cables are securely attached, start the engine of the working vehicle. Let it run for several minutes to charge the dead battery before attempting to start your Kia. After your Kia Optima starts, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. First, disconnect the black negative cable from the dead car, then from the good car. Next, remove the red positive cable from the good car, and finally from your Kia. Allow your Kia Optima to run for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge its battery. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.